is my neighbor. I've been four-wheeling with him for over a decade. His four-wheeler is acting up. So the other day we pulled the case off and did some work on the clutch. Today I'm going to show you guys how we did that. Okay, this is my neighbor's Can-Am 570, and he's got an issue with the belt. It's dragging a little bit, and the bigger problem is that two of these bolts right here and this one down here, both really hard to get to, are spinning. And the reason they're spinning is because, see, it's just got a metal insert in the plastic, so if this bolt seizes into that nut at all and there's any force that's applied to that, it's just going to strip right out. So obviously we've got a couple of stripped ones of these. So my plan is to drill the center of this head out till we can get past this washer, and this head and washer should come off, and then the cover will come off, and then we can take those off with a pair of pliers. So let's give it a shot. Okay, because we have an access issue, I have added an extension onto this drill bit so that we can get it past the cover and in there no problem, and the swivel head kind of helps because some of them aren't straight on. So this should work to drill out the first part of the head of that bolt. Okay, here you can see we've drilled part way through the head of the bolt there, and under there. So we could try to snap the head of the bolt off now, and if that doesn't work, we got to go a little bit deeper with a little bit bigger of a drill bit. Drill bit's a little bit narrower than the bolt, so we're going to have to get a bigger drill bit anyways. So let's go look for one. So ultimately it couldn't have been done without this. This is a, I don't know what size it is. Can't see it anymore, but this is a drill bit. It's a little bit bigger than 3/16, and I needed to weld it to a piece of rod so that I could get in there and actually drill out the head of that bolt. So you can actually buy elongated, that's another one I welded. This is just a store-bought long drill bit. So that I did that for the 3/16 size, and then I went up to this next size, which allowed us to get the heads of those bolts off. Okay, we've got that head drilled out, you can see it there. We got this head drilled out, you can see it there. Now hopefully we can get the cover past the bolts. And boom, there you can see stud. We'll grab that with some vice grips, work that out. And there's the other one. You can see here, that's what we were doing, cutting. Before that, you were cutting them out. That was the only other option. But basically what happens is this insert here, it's got little teeth, and that's the only thing holding it in the plastic. So if the teeth grabbing is less of a grip than the bolt being rusted into it, then it's going to spin free, and you're going to have to either yank these out and ruin it, or you do this and you can kind of pop those out and not ruin the case that much, and maybe get it sealed back up again. But that's how to get the frozen bolt that's stuck into a casing off on a Foreman, a Can-Am 570, or whatever else you have with this same type of dumb plastic cover. Everything's plastic nowadays. It makes it a pain in the ass to work on. All right, well, if that was helpful to you guys, make sure you're subscribed. Click that thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Check out some of these other videos in this playlist at the bottom here. I'll catch you guys next time.